Sending money internationally on Remitly is a straightforward process. Here's how you can do it. Sign up or log in. Visit the Remitly website or download the Remitly app from the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Sign up for an account if you're a new user or log in if you already have an account. Set up a transfer. Select the country you want to send money to. Remitly supports transfers to many countries worldwide. Enter the amount you wish to send. Remitly will show you the exchange rate and any applicable fees. Choose delivery method. Select how you want the recipient to receive the money. Options may include bank deposit, cash pickup, mobile wallet, or home delivery, depending on the destination country. Add recipient details. Provide the recipient's information, including their full name, contact details, and bank account information if applicable. Choose payment method. Select how you want to pay for the transfer. Options typically include using a bank account, debit card, or credit card. Review and send. Review all the details of your transfer to ensure accuracy. Confirm and send the money. Remitly will provide the tracking number so you and your recipient can monitor the transfer. Track the transfer. Use the tracking number provided to check the status of your transfer via the Remitly app or website.